Did you know a failing pre-med student chose integrity over his entire future and ended up saving his career? Marcus Chen was drowning in organic chemistry, his dream of medical school slipping away with each failed quiz. 2 weeks before the final exam, desperate classmates approached him with stolen answer keys. "Everyone's using them," they whispered. "You'll be the only one failing." But Marcus walked away. Instead, he spent every free hour tutoring Lin, an international student struggling even more than him. While others memorized stolen answers, he explained molecular structures to someone who barely spoke English. Exam day arrived. Marcus watched classmates breeze through questions while he struggled with every problem. The results were brutal. The cheaters scored in the 90s. Marcus barely passed. But 3 weeks later, everything changed. Lin had nominated him for a character scholarship, writing about his selfless tutoring. Not only did Marcus win the full scholarship, but the chemistry professor offered him a research position. Sometimes doing right costs everything, until it gives you more than you ever imagined.